machine in the proper place to connect with the previous machine. Adjust this forefeet to touch your ground to make sure it is stable when walking. Connect the cable. Turn on the switch to see whether the brush roller rotating direction is correct. If reversed, you need to exchange any two wires. When walking, no need to connect the water pipe. This spring system is only used to clean the machine. Here, you need to put a tank to collect the waste. Different from the potato peeling machine, these nylon brushes are soft, no damage to the fries. The gap between each roller is fixed. And after long time using, the nylon brushes may fall down to one side. Then you need to heat it with hot water. They will recover. Every 3 months, you need to open the cover on both sides to add the lubrication oil on the bearings. For the chains, you need to add lubrication grease every month. This is a bubble washing machine. When you receive it, please put it in proper place to connect with the previous machine. Adjust this forefeet to touch your ground. Make it stable when walking. Here is the overflow pot. Here, and also here is for wastewater. For these 3 places, you need to connect a wastewater pipe. Here, you need to connect a fresh water pipe for second time washing. Connect the cable here. And this is the protector. If your electricity connection is reversed, it will be a red light. At this time, you need to exchange any 2 wires. After connecting the cable, let's begin to test the machine. First, let's release the emergency stop, and then turn on the delivery. You can see the belt is begin moving. Here we can adjust the belt speed, make it faster, and this is slower. Now we need to fill the tank with water. You can take a fresh water pipe to fill the tank directly. And you need to make the water level 10 centimeters higher than the belt. Now let's test the water recycling pump. Turn on this water pump switch. Water will come out from the spring nozzle. Next, let's test the air blower. Turn on this switch. You can see the water in bubbling. This is the air inlet pipe. Never block it, and you need to clean it in time. For these 3 functions, bubble, water recycling pump, and delivery, you can turn on all of them or any of them separately. If there is any emergency in working, press this button. The machine will stop working. This is a filter system. If there is much waste, you can take them out and take it out to clean. You need to change the water every 6 to 8 hours. Firstly, drain out the waste water and also take out the waste here. Use a high water pressure gun to flush the inside. If you want to totally clean the inside of the machine, this is an automatic lifting system to help you lift up the belt. Let me show you. Lift it in a proper place. Then we need to put this safety bar here. You can see it is very safe. Now the worker can clean the inside. After cleaning, you can take it out and put the belt down. Now we put down the belt. Now I will show you how to do the maintenance. You need to check the belt every week. If it is loose, you need to adjust these two tensioners on both sides. About the control box and the motor, it is same as previous machine. If your factory is very cold in winter, when the machine is not in use, please remember to drain out the water to make sure there is no water in the pump.
This is the electric heating blanching machine. When you receive this machine, you need to put it at a proper place and make sure it connects with the bubble washing machine very well. Then you need to adjust these feet at the bottom to make sure the machine is stable. Now let's go to another side for connecting the waste pipes. You need to connect waste pipe here, here, and here. Also, you need to connect the chimney here. Now you need to connect the cable with the power supply. This is the main cable connection. And this is the phase sequence protector. You must make sure this light is green before testing the machine. If it is red, you need to switch any two of the cables here. Now I will show you how to operate this machine. First, you need to release emergency stop button. Then press the start button to start the power. You can see all these indications is on. And next, you will need to set up the temperature here. As we can see on this temperature panel, this is the present value, which is 32.9 degrees, and this is the set value. For blanching, we need 95 degrees. So you can set the set value to 95 degrees or 100 degrees. Now I will show you how to set it to 100 degrees. First, you need to press the set button and move to next digit and make it 0. And move to next digit, make it 0. And the last digit is 100, so you make it 1. And press set. And this is 100 degrees. Next, you need to check the operation of the mesh belt. Start the operation by this button and check the operation. You can also adjust the speed of the mesh belt by this button. This is to reduce the speed, and this is for increasing the speed. You can see this number. If everything is okay, and we can move to the next step. Stop the mesh belt. Next, you need to fill the water into the tank. First, press the raise button to raise the cover. And you can use a water pipe to fill the fresh water into the tank. And make sure the water level is 10 to 15 centimeters higher than the mesh belt. After filling the water, decline the cover. Press the decline button. Now you can start the heating. First, switch on these buttons to start the heating tube. There are 4 groups of heating tube and check the temperature. When the present value is same to the set value, you can start the mash belt delivery. Then we can fill the French fries into the blanching machine. Now I will show you how to do the maintenance for the blanching machine. When you finish the work every day, you need to drain all the wastewater out from the discharging port on the other side. And you also need to lift the mesh belt and clean the inside. It is the same with the bubble washing machine. For the maintenance of control box, motor, reducer, and the mesh belt, it is also the same with the bubble washing machine.
This is a vibrating dewater machine. When you receive the machine, please put it in proper place to connect with the function machine. And also, to protect this bracket, we will use a rod to fix it when transport. So, before using, you need to remove it. And also, here you need to connect with a waste pipe. You need to fix this 4 feet with foundation bolts on the ground. Then connect the cable. Start the machine. About the maintenance, you need to check the foundation bolts every week. And here, you can open these 2 covers to adjust the vibration amplitude. That's all for this machine.
This is air dewatering machine. When you receive this machine, first you need to put it at a proper place and make sure connecting with this machine. And then you need to adjust these feet at the bottom to make the whole machine stable on the ground. Next, you need to connect the pipe with this wastewater discharging port. And next, you need to connect the cable with the power. This is the main cable connection. Now you can start testing the machine. First, release the emergency stop and press the start button for the mesh belt. And you can adjust the speed by screwing this button. You can see, this is slowing down. You can see the number is decreasing. And this is speeding up. You can see the number is increasing and the speed is increasing. And next, you can start the fans. If there's any emergency, you can press this emergency stop button. All these fans are separated into 2 groups. The first fan and the third fan is one group, and the second fan is the fourth one is another group. They can all work together, or any of them can work separately. If you feel the wind is too strong, you can cover part of the air inlet. You can also adjust the height of the fans and angle by adjusting these 2 bolts. For the maintenance of the control box, motor, and reducer, they are all the same with the previous machine. You need to check the mesh belt every week. If it is loose, take off this cover on both sides, and you will find the tensioners. Adjust these tensioners to tension the belts. This is the electric heating continuous frying machine. When you receive this machine, you need to put it at the proper place and make sure it connects with a conveyor. And then you need to put this control cabinet beside the machine. And you need to put the oil tank on the other side. And also you need to put the vacuum filter on the other side of the machine. Now I will show you how to connect the frying machine and the oil tank. We will prepare this stainless steel pipe for you. You need to use that pipe to